The spacecraft experienced a, quote, rapid unscheduled disassembly, then exploded via the self-destruct system over the Gulf of Mexico. NASA is counting on Starship to get astronauts to the moon sometime around the end of 2025. Now, Robert,
I'm going to go out on a limb and say
What?
that's not great.
Not great, but still very cool stuff. Interesting that we're, close to getting people to the moon.
I mean, yeah, the rocket exploding is not cool.
No.
But,
The idea is
we'll get there eventually, folks, I
Yeah.
promise.
How about the weather?
We'll get to the moon
Let's talk about
eventually.
stuff we know.
You can probably see a little bit of the moon tonight because we've got nice clear skies, but clouds are back on their way as we get toward tomorrow. We've got more rainfall on the way. That's why tomorrow is an impact day, especially tomorrow afternoon and tomorrow night and throughout the day on Monday. We're going to see showers developing, overspreading the area. There could be a couple of widely scattered or isolated thunderstorms. Maybe one of those is a very low-end, strong to maybe severe storm, but that would be the exception rather than the rule. Lights of the Ozarks looks very nice in Fayetteville today. Where it was another warm day. We got up to 68 degrees, 10 degrees warmer than we should be this time of the year for November 18th, which is 58. Chilly morning. About 11 years ago, it was 9 degrees. Nice and quiet in Fort Smith. There's the Garrison Avenue Bridge, 70 degrees in Fort Smith today, 8 degrees north of where we should be, which is 62. Things are quiet for our area. We got high pressure basically parked over Cape Girardeau right now. But back to our west, you can see an area of low pressure over the Colorado high country moving toward our area. That's going to be our next weather maker in about 12 to 15 hours or so. 40s right now for northwest Arkansas with a few lower 50s as well in the River Valley, upper 40s and some lower 50s. As we go through the rest of the night, we will be nice and quiet. We'll see some peaks of sunshine tomorrow morning, but that will all change by the afternoon as we watch those showers of varying intensity overspread the area. There could be a couple of rumbles of thunder, a couple of heavier downpours. They'll kind of come and go Sunday night and into Monday. And as we get into this warm sector, as the cold front gets closer to us, there could be just enough instability here for a brief line of thunderstorms, which could be another risk of maybe a strong to marginally severe storm. And then as the front moves through, things start to quiet down and they will cool down in a big way. Tomorrow, the severe threat will reside to our west. Our area looks to be just outside of that. Monday, that threat shifts to our south. We'll see if the SPC boys expand this marginal risk a little bit further north, if they see a better chance for thunderstorms. Not a ton of rain is going to fall, quarter to maybe 3/4 of an inch total when all is said and done. So not bracket busting rains here. 30s and 40s tonight, and then 60s yet again for our Sunday. A great day. Quick look at the extended forecast shows that wet weather Sunday and into Monday. A cloudy day on Tuesday as things start to wrap up with the precipitation. Thanksgiving and Black Friday looks very, very nice for if you're celebrating the holiday and then taking advantage of those holiday deals in northwest Arkansas as well as the River Valley. Pretty much the same thing in the River Valley. Not a bad holiday weekend as we head toward Thanksgiving next week. Stay with us. Kind of a holiday for the Hogs on the Hill today. They finally got a win at home for the first time since summer. Cameron Johnson has your sports news after the break.